Hi, welcome to this class. Today's lesson will be considering simultaneous equation. Introduction. Simultaneous equation is simply defined as equations, as equations with two or more unknowns that are solved together. Okay, here we have two equations. Or more, okay, with two or more variables, that is unknowns. Okay, now we have various methods of solving. We have different methods of solving simultaneous equation. Okay, method of solving method of solving simultaneous method of solving. Okay, all right, now method of solving simultaneous equations. We have number one, elimination method. Number two, substitution method. Number three, graphical method. We have number four. Okay, we can use Cramer's rule. That is a bit advanced. Okay, Cramer's rule is a bit advanced. Okay, here it involves, arranging or forming your augmented matrix, then solve the system of equations. All right, but majorly we are going to consider elimination, substitution, and the graphical methods. Subsequently, as we proceed, we'll consider Cramer's rule. But check my previous lessons on determinants. You will see Cramer's rule. Okay, now under elimination method, number one, within the two variables, one of them will be eliminated. The major aspect of eliminating it is making the coefficient of that particular variable to be the same. Then you can either subtract or add to eliminate that particular variable. Okay, in this method, one variable is eliminated so that the other variable can be found. One variable is eliminated so that the other variable can be found. Okay, all right, let's solve an example here. So example, we have solve for x and y. If we have x plus y is equals to 9, this is equation 1, and number 2, x minus y is equals to 3, we call it equation 2. Okay, solution, let's solve it here. Solution, given x plus y as 9 and the x minus y as 3. Now, to solve by elimination method, Already remember what I said, one variable will be eliminated, and two, the coefficient of that particular variable will be made same. Okay, already here the coefficient of x, they are same, even here. Okay, are same, so we can now easily put minus here. You can just say subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay, so we have x minus x here. So x minus x is 0, that is x minus x. Then y minus minus y. Please see what is going on here. Y minus here with another minus y. So this will be 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Okay, so we can have 0 plus y minus minus y. We have 2y is equals to 9 minus y is 6. So divide by 2 so that I can have 2y is equals to 6 divided by 2 and then y is equals to 3. Now put y as 3 to find x. Put y equals 3 into either equation 1 or 2. Okay, so we want to substitute, that is substituting for the value of y. So from equation 1 we had x plus y is equals to 9. This is our equation 1, but at y equals 3, let's put 3 here. We have x plus 3 is equals to 9, so that x, okay, will be equal to this 9 minus 3, which is 6. Therefore x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3. If you still check, you notice that from equation 1 where we have x plus y, so you have our x here is 6. 6 plus 3 will still give you 9, which is right hand side, and here is what? Left hand side. Good. That is example 1. This example is very simple. We are going to solve another example with coefficients so that you can see how to make the coefficient of that particular variable to be same before you can easily eliminate. Alright, so let's solve example 2. Solve for m and n in the following equation. Okay, we have here 3x plus y is equals to 13, equation 1. So here we have x plus 2y is equals to 11. Okay, that is equation 2. Good. Now how can we solve this using elimination method? Solution. Using elimination method, we are going to make, assuming we want to eliminate x now. Here, the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 3. Here, the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 1. So we are going to make the coefficients of x to be the same. Okay? Good. Before we can eliminate. If it is y, we have to also make the coefficient of y to be same before you can eliminate. So for us to achieve this, we are going to multiply equation 1, okay, by the coefficient of equation 2. So we are going to multiply equation 1 by 1, then multiply equation 2 by 3. Okay, so we can have multiply equation 1 by 1 and 2 by 3, okay, to make the coefficient of x the same. So we can have here 1 multiplied by all equation 1, we still have 3x plus y is equals to 13. We can easily call it equation 4 now. So here now 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 2y, you have 6y, okay, is equals to 33. So let's call here, this is equation 3. Remember, this is equation 3, here is equation 4. So okay, equation 3 from 4, okay. So subtract equation 3 from 4. Now when you put your minus here, 3x minus 3x, it will go, we have something like this, 3x minus 3x. Then we can put our plus. So this is 6y minus y. 6y minus this y is equals to 33 minus 13. Okay, so this has cancelled. 6y minus this, we have 5y. Okay, good. 5y is equals to 20. Good. So that we divide through by 5 to find y. So you can have 5y divided by 5, okay, is equals to 20 divided by 5. This can go. Y is equals to 4. Okay, we have found y as 4. So what we are going to do now is put y equals 4 into any of the equation, into, let's say equation 2. Okay, if you like, you can use equation 1 to still give you the same thing. All right, remember this is equation 2, but our y is 4. So substituting, I will have x plus 2 bracket. What is the value of y? This is 2 for these two, so I will represent y as 4. Good. Equals to 11, so that I can have x plus 8 is equals to 11, and x will now be 11 minus 8, which can give us what? 3. Therefore x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4. Okay, so let's check now. Check, we have 3x from equation 1 plus y is equals to 13. This is equation 1. So let's put the values of x and y and check. So 3 bracket, what is the value of x? 3. Plus y, what is the value of y? 4. Is it equal to 13? So this is 3 times 3 is 9, plus what? 4. What is the answer? 13. Good. So right hand side is correct and left hand side is also correct. So this is how to solve using elimination method. Please ask your question. This is how to solve using elimination method. Okay, so you can see what I have done. Okay, make the coefficients of the particular variable to be same, then subtract and substitute. That is for elimination method. Then okay, let's solve example 3 here. All right, so example 3, we are required to solve x minus 2y is equals to 4. This is equation 1, and I have 2x plus 5y as 17. This is equation 2. Okay, now remember what I said. Solution, we are going to use same elimination method. Okay, now from here, remember I said make the coefficient of x, assuming it's x that you want to eliminate, to be the same. So over here we are going to multiply equation 1 by 2, then equation 2 by 1. Good. So 2 times everything here in equation 1, I will have 2x. Okay, let me just write multiply 1 by 2. Multiply 1 by 2 and 2 by 1. So I will have 2x minus 2 times 2y, that is 4y, is equals to 8. This is our equation 3. Similarly, I will have here 2x plus 5y is equals to 17. This is equation 4. Now, see what is going on here. If we subtract now, we can easily eliminate. So let's subtract. 2x minus 2x will go. So I can still have 2x minus 2x plus, this is 5y here, minus 4y. Okay, are you seeing what is going on? Is equals to 17 minus this 8. Good. So please observe what I have done. I said 2x minus 2x. It will go 5y minus 4y. 17 minus 8. You can still go by minus 4y minus. Are you seeing it? This 5y. Then 8 minus this. It's just difference of. The other one will be negative, whereas we are dealing with positive here. Okay, so this can cancel. 5y minus minus will be 9y is equals to 17 minus 8. You have 9. Therefore, okay, divide through by 9. I can have divide through by 9. I can have 9y over 9 is equals to 9 over 9. So y is equals to 1. Now, class work, class activity. Okay, solve for x, okay, by substituting the value of y. Okay, solve for x by substituting the value of y. Share it. Okay, in our subsequent class we'll be considering substitution method. We're also going to consider word problem leading to simultaneous equation and how to solve it. All right, thank you.